So I'm doing a video about a challenge that has been created since 2003. I've come across it on YouTube for the last 7-8 years, and it's called the accent tag. It's just like a dialect survey, just to see how you pronounce things, how you say things, and just to determine that your accent, where you come from, really, and how we say things differently from across the world. Yeah, sorry if I keep looking away a lot, because I got all the questions and the different words up on my laptop. So here we go. I am from North Wales, and yes, I do speak Welsh. Welsh is my first language, and English is my second language. And it's just a way to see if I do sound Welsh or not. But I'll go through these questions and do these accent tag words, and then here we go. First question is, what is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? To me, it's vandalism, or I don't know, it's a crime. But I think some people do call it TPing, but no, I never said it myself. Number 2, what is the bird that when you touch it, it kills into a ball? It's it's either a woodlice, or, as I say in Welsh, a prichito. And yeah, everyone just calls it roly-poly. But roly-poly to me is a forward roll. It's nothing to do with insects. Moving on. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? I call it a fizzy drink, a soft drink, fizzy pop, or usually I just call it the name of the drink. If I want to go and get something, I'll say, I'm going to have a drink of Coke or Pepsi or whatever. Question 4, what do you call gym shoes? I call them trainers. Question 5, what do you say to address a group of people? It's like, hi everybody, hi guys, you guys, all of you, everybody, I don't know. Question 6, what do you call a kind of spider or spider-like creature that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? It's daddy long legs. Question 7, what do you call your grandparents? Well, as I'm Welsh, I call them Nain and Taid. But if I speak English, I would say grandma and granddad. But Nain and Taid, I always say. I've always have said Nain and Taid. Question 8, what do you call a wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarkets? I call it a trolley. Trolley, nothing else. Basket, well, people do call it basket or a truck, but no, trolley. Question 9, what do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining? Well, sunshine shower, sunshine rain, sun and rain, I don't know. Last question, what is the thing that you change the TV channel with? Remote control, remote, either one of them two. Right, moving on to the accent tag words. Right, again, sorry if I do look away, because I have to look at my laptop to read the question, to read the accent tag words. Ant, roof, root, wash, oil, theatre, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, shore, data, ruin, crayon, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pyjamas, court, naturally, aluminium, and finally, envelope. So there we go, that's all the words and the questions all answered. If you do like this video, just feel free to comment or just do one of your own and submit it to your YouTube channel. It'll be great hearing from you.